Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube. To do this, you just need to go to the YouTube app. Let me get back a little bit. After that, go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that, click on Settings on the top right of the screen and choose the first option, General. And as you can see, there is an option called Restricted Mode. And if you want to activate it, you just need to click on it. And when the circle is blue like that, that means that the restricted mode is activated on your phone. Just a little reminder that you should activate this restricted mode on every device that you are using with the same account. So for example, if I am using this email in another device for YouTube channel, you just need, for YouTube account, you just need to open again the settings and activate again the restricted mode. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video.